How to log into Twitch account. Let's get started. You can easily log into your Twitch account using the web version or the app. In the case you want to use the app, you can launch the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Twitch and download it. But for this video, I will be using the web version. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Twitch login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, twitch.tv. Open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Twitch account. So go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. If you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option, trouble logging in. With that your problem will be resolved. Once you fill this, click on login and just for that you will be logged into your Twitch account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option and fill this to create your account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to log into Twitch account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.